Ever grappled with the challenge of identifying the perfect entry and exit points in trading? The answer lies in moving averages and golden and death crosses. Moving averages help smooth out price fluctuations, providing a clearer picture of the price trend. You start by selecting a time period, typically 50 or 200 days, and calculate the average closing price. This becomes your moving average. Plot these averages on a chart. The resulting line gives a visual representation of the trend. A rising line for an upward trend, a falling line for a downward trend. Now, let's dive into the intriguing world of golden and death crosses. These are points on a price chart where a shorter-term moving average crosses a longer-term moving average. A golden cross occurs when the shorter-term moving average, say the 50-day average, crosses above the longer-term average, like the 200-day average. This signals a potential bullish market, hinting at an opportune moment to enter the market. On the other hand, a death cross happens when the shorter-term average crosses below the longer-term average. This is seen as a bearish signal, suggesting it might be time to exit the market or short the security. But remember, no indicator is infallible. While moving averages and crosses offer valuable insights, they should be used in conjunction with other indicators for a more comprehensive analysis. So, to summarize, moving averages help you identify price trends, while golden and death crosses signal potential entry and exit points. But don't rely solely on these tools. Incorporate other indicators into your analysis for a well-rounded strategy. Yes, the world of trading might seem complex, but with tools like moving averages and the golden and death crosses, you're well-equipped to navigate through the tumultuous seas of the market. So, go ahead, harness the power of these tools and steer your way to successful trading.